G'day guys, Sky Pilot here. If you are living in Australia, now is a great time as BG are doing a massive stock clearance and you will be able to grab yourself 50% off of what is already a really good price. Have a look what's here. Everything's here. If you're used to shopping at BG, you know the sorts of products they have. Anything from your 3D printers, monitors, RC cars, planes, quads, multis, etc. Equipment, gear, spares, it's all here. Smash on the menu on the right there and you will go straight to the area you're looking at. If you've come from my channel, you're probably interested in the RC toys, so have a look at the RC boats and parts. The drones here, you can get an E58 for $76. This is all Australian stock guys and Australian prices. Look at that, the Green Hornet, $253 down from $300. iFlight Alpha, $155, that's a bargain. So this is just a quick video for everybody in Australia who follows my channel. If you haven't used BG before, jump on their website. They have so much to offer at a fabulous price. Get in quick gang, February 5 to February 15. If you're getting into the FPV sport, this is the website for you if you haven't seen it before. I won't go through all the units here, but as you can see, there's nearly $100 saving off the Eachine Wizard, which is a cracker. You get the remote with it as well. Another fab unit, the E58. I've done many reviews of this thing. Bulletproof, $76. Absolute bargain. The Green Hornet as well. I've done many reviews of the Green Hornet. This thing flies a treat. I've got some new 5-blade props on it, which makes it nice and quiet. And there's a $50 plus further discount, so that's a really good price. There you have it guys, all you FPV drone RC hobbyist enthusiasts in Australia. Get cracking, jump on your keyboard and see if you can grab yourself a bargain. February 15 the sale finishes. Any comments, any queries? Yep, send them down, I'll get straight back to you. Otherwise, smash that thumbs up, check out my other videos, plenty of drone reviews coming up. If you have a spare 5 minutes or 5 hours, follow the link below and surf away. No props folks, thanks for stopping by. I'll catch you again real soon. See you in the sky. Bye for now.